Hey guys, how's it going? Wilson here with WA Films and Policy. What is? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to break down this video for you guys so you guys can see how I shot this coffee bureau sequence. Okay guys, real quick I'm going to be showing you every single shot, gonna break it down for you so you guys can see how I got every single shot for this video. It's gonna be straightforward, real quick, just for you guys to see everything that I use for this video, so you know, so stay with me. So for this video I was using a Canon 1DS Mark II with a 24mm prime lens. So for this video I wanted the lighting to be really dramatic, like a coffee commercial kind of thing. So that's the concept I'm looking for. So I use this small softbox, which is a 1.3 by 1.3 softbox. So by using this small softbox, I was able to narrow the light the way I wanted. And you know, when you're using a in a small softbox like this, it's gonna give you like a really spotlight, but at the same time it's going to be soft, which is what I'm looking for. So this is pretty much what I'm using, just one light. I have another light in the back, as you guys can see here, just to create some kind of separation from the background. So that's pretty much just for the lighting, like I say, Canon 1DS Mark II with a 24mm, one key light and one small light in the back. I wanted the video to start with a really interesting shot, so I have my kids helping me out with this shot. So what they doing basically is they throwing coffee beans on the table, and I'm just tracking backward at the same time that they throwing this coffee. So I did try multiple times because I wanted to have like different angles and close-ups, and that's pretty much what I did. Okay, this is another shot, pretty straightforward handheld, tracking the shot with the same motion that he's doing with the hand, so it came out really good. Something that I love about this light is that I can control it from my phone. So I can control the color temperature, and I can also control the intensity. So for this shot, I'm basically shutting down the light and increasing the power at the same time. When he's open the cabinet, I'm just raising the power all the way up, so it creates some kind of illusion that the light's coming through when he opens the door. So for the next shot, I'm using a C stand with a tripod head, so I can have like a really nice view from the top. So for this shot right here, I had to switch to a blender, so I was able to put the camera in there. That's how I was able to get this shot, and this is what the final shot looked like. The camera wasn't there, like I said, I'm using a C stand. And this is another shot, you guys can see clearly how I got it, straightforward, just turning the camera. Same thing, and creating that same movement with the camera. But this shot, the smoke that I was getting from the actual hot water was not enough. I wanted to have more smoke going on here, so I'm just using this product that I found online. I didn't use any backdrop. I'm using the same color of the wall that I found really convenient for what I was looking for, so I didn't need to get any backdrop for this. So hey guys, there you have it. That's it for today. It was a real quick video just to show you guys the breakdown of pretty much the lighting and how I shot it. Remember, as always, hey, subscribe, let me know in the comments below if you guys like it or not. Stay tuned for the new content coming up, and I see you guys in the next video.